Okay, we're gonna go take a look here. This is an apartment. This is gonna be available in April right away. A little more rustic, cheaper though. 1,500 pesos for this place. It's not too far from the beach.
I'm sorry, I need to find, but wash the wash. So I need to pay.
Muchas gracias.
This is a corner. Now leave the railway. There is a bathroom. The first bedroom. The second bedroom. It's very fresh. This bedroom has air conditioner.
Okay, the bedrooms have AC? Oh, okay. Oh, the master bedroom does. Oh, it's a nice size room.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Included, that's all? No. Yes.
So 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom.
One bedroom.
1 bedroom.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, okay. I need.
Oh, it's okay.
Now I change it. This is the second bedroom.
Yeah, 2 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath.
Or
And then, and then a little living area.
Gas included. Okay. Yeah. Gas, water, gas, cable, internet.
Oh, look at this.
To clean the pool. Yes.
There's the old sewing machine.
I'm sorry? What kind of internet? DSL?
That's a good idea. Kind of cool.
Submarine. No. It's easy is the service. Okay. Yeah. Do you know easy? No, but I can look it up. It's this. This is this box. This box is the salary. Now, now.
So that's pretty much it, guys, for this place. There's not much to see here. But, the price is right though, so it might do for now while we look for something else. You can save a lot of money living here though, but it's I don't know. Let's see what the boss says. We got, oh, they're doing dancing over there. Senior citizens over there doing aerobics, dance aerobics. That's where I hear the music. That's a beautiful place over there. We met a guy from Canada when we came in here. There's a lot of Canadians here in Progresso. So anyway, I mean, that one there, I highly doubt would take that. I don't think gonna go for that place too much. It's a little rough around the edges, but it's that's what you get though for here for that price. You know, you can get a cheaper place to live. It's not bad. I mean, it's not terrible, but I don't think the boss would like that. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know where you park. And then, I mean, the beach is straight down there. It's not far. down that road, there's the beach. So you can drive down there or walk, whatever. Not very far at all. That's it. I'm not sure about parking, so this is it here. There's obviously the garbage there. Oh, you're allowed, I guess you probably park in there. I don't know how many units are in here. There's no cars here, so I'm not sure. Not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna sign out, guys, and there you go. 2 apartment tours. Well, 1 condo, 1 apartment. The condo is a little bit nicer, but 5,000 pesos more a month. But you're on the beach, and it's quite a bit nicer. Anyway, adios, amigos. Okay, guys, the beach is just a block down the road here, so it's not very far to the ocean. So this place here that we just looked at, that I said was 15,000, is way off. That place was 6,500 pesos, so 6,500 pesos for that place, which is huge savings. But as you saw, really not much to look at. So yeah, and the beach is right here, the ocean. And we go back.